Hello everyone. Let's start our SR Kantwa objective series. That is the fourth chapter, Genetics in Plant Breeding. Let's start with our first question. An organism which has acquired a heritable variation as a result of a sudden change in the hereditary material. It is called as the mutant. Question number second. A polyploid having the chromosome set from the different sources, such as the different species, is known as the allopolyploid. The sex form in most of the cucurbits, including the melons, is monoecious. The increased performance of the F1 hybrid over its parent is called as an heterosis. The ratio of the genetic variance to the total variance, which determines the relationship between the phenotype and the genotype, is known as its heritability. Question number 6. The mass pedigree selection method of breeding is particularly useful for the improvement of that is option A, self-pollinated crops. Question number 7. Emasculation of a flower is necessary for the hybridization in option B, self-pollinate crops. Question number 8. Leafy vegetables like palak, amaranthus, spinach are highly cross-pollinated. Question number 9. The modern tea roses were involved as a result of which of the following crossing? Of the crossing of the floribunda into tea roses. Question number 10. Mendel did not face the problem of the linkage. However, the seven characters started by him were located on how many chromosomes? That is 4. The test cross ratio in the case of the duplicate gene action will be 3 is to 1. Yes. Question number 12. 80 ratio in one strand of the DNA duplex is 2. What will be the ratio in the complementary strand? It will be option B, 0.5. Question number 13. The term gene was coined by Johnson. Question number 14. The number of chromosome in wheat endosperm is, yes, here is asking it's an endosperm. It will be 63. Question number 15. The cytoplasmic meal sterility is best suited for the hybrid seed production in option third, vegetatively propagated crops. Question number 16. The multiple effects of the single gene is known as a pleiotropy. Question number 17. An example of the heterozygous but homozygous population is, it is option C, hybrid variety. Question number 18. The cross of an inbreed line with an open pollinated variety is known as the top cross. Question number 19. The artificial hybrid was made by, yes, Thomas Fairchild. It was a cross between carnation and the sweet William. Question number 20. The synthetic hybridization on a scientific basis began with the work of option C, Coleodoter nicotiana. Question number 21. Double cross plan was suggested by, yes, it was suggested by Johns. In maize he has done the double cross. It was started in by D.F. Johns in maize. Question number 22. Who gave the concept of the circular chromosome in the E. coli? It was given by Cadians. Option A. Question number 23. Sex in plants was discovered by, it was discovered by option B, Chameleons. Question number 24. Who produced puppies through the artificial insemination in dogs? It was done by option C. Splanjaning. Question number 25. Yes, the concept of epigenesis was proposed by Wolf. That is option C. Yes. Question number 26. The origin of the species was published in It was published in B, that is 1859. Germplasm theory was proposed by Weismann. Cell linkage theory was proposed by, yes, that is Virchow. Question number 29. The chromosomes are the most condensed in which stages? In anaphase stage of the, yes. Question number 13. The DNA synthesis takes place in which stage? It takes in the S phase. Question number 31. In the DNA double helix, that is G by A is equal to the, it's equal to the, that is option A, C by T. Question number 32. Hershey and Chase in the experiments labeled the DNA with, yes, DNA was labeled with P32, that is option 3. Question number 33. The number of bases in the single turn of the DNA helix is, it is option third 10. Question number 34. The common form of DNA present in the living organism, yes, it's a B form. Question number 35. The DNA polymerase first was discovered by, yes, the DNA polymerase first was discovered by the Kornberg, option third. Question number 36. The DNA replicating enzyme in bacteria is is option C, DNA polymerase third. Question number 37. The proteins involved in keeping the DNA single stranded during the replication is, it was option D, SSB protein. Question number 38. The Okazaki fragments are formed due to the synthesis of DNA in the direction, yes, it was in the direction of 5 dash to 3 dash. Question number 39. Deamination of the adenine leads to the formation of the, option B, hypoxanthine. Question number 40. The maximum absorbance of the DNA molecule is at dash OA wavelength, at 206 wavelength. Question number 41. The Drosophila 16A region of the X chromosome causes normal eye. If the region is repleted, the eye produced is, its option C, bar. Question number 42. The resulting two daughter cells produced by the bridge breakage fusion will have both, that is both A and B duplication and the deficiency. Question number 43. A tautomeric shift in the adenine, that is amino to immuno, allows it to pair with dash only, with the cytosine only. Question number 44. In the humans, an XO individual has how many bar body in her cells? It has none. Question number 45. That is, the nucleolus plays an important role in the production of, yes, nucleolus plays an important role in the production of the rRNA. Question number 46. An example of the dicotyledonous albuminous seed is, it is soya bean. Yes. Dicotyledonous albuminous seed is soya bean. Question number 47. An amino acid which is related to the drought tolerance in plant is, It is option B, proline. Yes. Which ammonia was produced during the drought? It is the proline. Let's move to question number 48. Which of the following are the inhibitors of the cell synthesis? It's option D, all. That is penicillin, oxamycin, rictocatine, and then vancomycin. Question number 49. Inhibitors of the cell membrane synthesis are, it's option D, all of these. That is polymyxine, gramicidine, and the circulin, and triosidine. Question number 50. Inhibitors to the mRNA synthesis transcription are, it's option D, that is all. First, actinomycin D, then B, rifamycin, and third, 5-bromosyl. Yes, question number 51. The inhibitors to translocation, that is protein synthesis, are, it's again option D, all of the above, that is streptomycin, euromycin, and neomycin, and chloram, chloramphenicol and erythromycin. Question number 52. What is the seed multiplication ratio in the chickpea and wheat? Are respectively, it is option D, 1 is to 10 and 1 is to 20. Question number 53. What is the seed multiplication ratio in the potato and the groundnut respectively? It is option A, 1 is to 4 and 1 is to 8. Question number 54. The seed multiplication ratio in the paddy is, it is option B, 1 is to 80. Seed multiplication ratio in the bajra is, it is again option C, 100, 1 is to 200. Seed multiplication ratio of the rapeseed, red gram, hybrid maize, sorghum, and jute is, it is option A, that is 1 is to 100. Green plant photosynthesis takes place in, it takes place in option D, chloroplast. Question number 58. The site of the protein synthesis of the cell is, that is ribosome. Which cell organelle is having a diagnostic enzyme? It is the digestive enzyme, lysozymes. Question number 60. Who discovered the X-rays? It was discovered by, yes, it was discovered by the Roentgen. 61. The defective copies of the normal are known as the pseudogene. Normal gene is known as the pseudogene. Question number 62. The term the term the term, this is muton and cistron, coined by 1957 by Benzer. The variance which is fixable is additive. Question number 64. The terms hybrid refers to the somatic hybrids. Now question number 65. Which component of the immune response is crippled in the AIDS? It is in helper T cell. Question number 66. During the mitosis, chromosomal DNA duplication takes place in the interphase. The cell wall of the fungi are made up of the chitin. Question number 68. Which of the following compound contains the cobalt? Which of the following compounds? Yes, it is vitamin B12. Option B. Question number 69. Antibiotic that causes the misincorporation of the amino acid and the protein synthesis is puromycin. That is option C. Question number 70. DNA as a genetic element was shown by the experiment of, Yes, it's option A. Avery, McClurdy, and McCarthy. Question number 71. The inherent capacity of an organism to increase in numbers under the ideal condition is known as the reproductive potential. Question number 72. RDNA analysis provides information on the phylogenetic relationship. Now, question number 73. The wetlands are threatened due to the option C, silting due to erosion. Let's move to question number 74. Cryopreservation is not suitable for preserving organisms which are that is option C, aerobic. Question number 75. The Tiger Project is a holistic approach for the conservation of the ecosystem. Question number 76. The two species belonging to the same genus are identical in the morphology. Which of the following structural characteristics is more useful in distinguishing the such species? It is option C, chromosome number and morphology. Question number 77. The two taxonomic species are distinguished from each other by their failure to the inbreeding. Question number 78. A common crop which is grown in the natural autoploidy grown. Yes, it is potato. It is the that is 48 chromosome number. Question number 79. The pearl millet is predominantly cross pollinated because it is protogynous. Question number 80. A F1 plant with the genetic constitution capital A, capital B, small c, capital D, and small d is a test cross with all that is small a, b, c, d. There will be yes 8 genotypes. Question number 81. In wheat and the rice, the genetic purity of the variety deteriorate due to can deteriorate due to that is option C, mechanical contamination with the seeds of the other varieties. Option question number 82. A mating among the following cannot lead to the heterosis. That is option C. Yes, that is capital B, small c, small d into capital B, small d. Question number 83. What is the most useful method of detecting the virus infection in the seeds? Yes, it is ELISA. The most important factor which determines the stability of the seed is yes, it is that is option third, moisture. Question number 85. In seed testing, the grow out test is conducted to determine the genetic purity. Yes. Question number 85. Translocation of the carbohydrate mostly takes place in the form of yes, it takes place in the form of the that is sucrose. Question number 87. If the gametic composition of the genotype is capital A, small b, capital C, that is ABC, and ABC, in equal proportion, the genotype of the source individual will be capital A, small b, capital C, small c. Question number 88. The stalk of the ovule is called yes, it is called option C, funicle. Question number 89. IB IPGRI headquarters is situated in it is in Italy, Rome, Italy. Question number 90. A fertilized mature ovule which possesses an embryonic plant food reserved and a protective coating in a plane in a species is in a plant species that is the seed. Question number it's not visible much. Question number 91, I guess. Yes. The visible scar observed on the seed at the piece of the detachment from the seed stalk is known as that is option 91, right? Yes, option D, helium. 92. What is this? Aflatoxin are produced by it is produced by sea fungi. Question number 93. Golgi apparatus is also known as it's option C, dioctosome. Question number 94. The law of homologous series is given by yes, it is given by the Babylon. Yes. Question number 95. Transposable elements were discovered by yes, McClintock. Question number 96. Bubble hypothesis is given by Crick. Question number 97. Yes, gene for gene hypothesis is proposed by that is option C, floor. Yes, question number 98. The pure line variety is a yes, it is a homozygous and homogeneous. Very well know we know this. Yes. Question number 99. Land races are that is option C. They are the local varieties. Yes. Question number 100. Lysine is a limiting amino acid in it is a in the cereals. Yes. Question number 101. In pulses, the limiting amino acids are that is option D, both A and B, that is methionine and then tryptophan. Question number 102. The low neurotoxin variety of the Lithyrus is it is option C, that is Pusha 24. Question number 103. Pusa Sugandha 5 is a new variety of rice. Yes. Saktiman. Question number 104. Saktiman is a new variety of option C, maize. Question number 105. Pusa Gold is a new variety of it is wheat. Question number 106. The Pusa 1088, Pusa 1103, and Pusha 1105 are the new varieties of that is of the option A, it is of the chickpea. Question number 107. Pusha Charisma and Mahak are the new varieties of option C, mustard. Yes. Question number 108. Pusa Arunima and Pusha Surya are the new varieties of mango. Yes. Question number 109. Purva, Urja and Pusha Visesh are the new varieties of that is option B, wheat. Question number 110. Pusa Ratna is a new variety of it is of the option D, mung bean. Yes, Ratna. 111. The source of the dwarfing gene in wheat is it is option B, Norrin 10. Question number 112. Digibogin is the source of the dwarfing gene in and it is in rice. Question number 113. The ratio of the economic yield to the biological yield it is known as the harvest index. Yes. Question number 114. The plant type concept was first introduced by, it was introduced by the, yes, Jennings in 1964. Question number 115. There is an increase in dash under the drought condition. Yes, I know. It is of the all of these. ABA content also is also increased. Ethylene level is also, and then proline content is also increased in drought condition. Yes. Question number 116. The concept of the vertical and this horizontal resistance was introduced by, yes, I know this, it is of the Vander Planck in 1963. Question number 117. The concept of the physiological races was given by, it was actually given by A. Barros in 1911. Question number 118. The source of the A genome in wheat is, it is option A. Triticum uratum. Question number 119. An amphi diploid between the Brassica nigra and Brassica campestris is, that is option C. Yes, Brassica juncea. Question number 120. What made the first intergeneric cross between the bred wheat and the ray? I know it's option B, yes, Rimpo in 1928. Question number 121. The BTT is associated with, it is associated with, yes, it is associated with the option D, barley. Triploids are normally sterile. Question number 123. The first man made a cereal is, absolutely, it's critical. Question number 124. The cells without cell wall are known as, yeah, it's a protoplast. Question number 125. The condition in which the F1 plants interspecific crosses are vigorous, fertile, but the F2 progeny is weak and sterile. Oh, it is option C, hybrid breakdown. Yes. Now, question number 126. The inability of a hybrid to produce viable offspring is known as the hybrid sterility. Yes. Question number 127. The term heterosis was given by Piano by Schull in 1914. In question number 128, the highest uniformity is present in, it is a present in, that is option C, single cross. Yes, double top cross refers to, that is option A into B into O P V. I guess it's written that only. Okay, so question number 130. The dominance hypothesis of hysterosis was first proposed by, it was proposed by Davenport in 1908. Question number 131. The method used for the fixation of the heterosis is, yes, it is, that is option D, all of these. That is apomixis, polyploidy, and asexual reproduction. Question number 132. In a cross pollinated species, a true breeding line obtained by the continuous inbreeding is called as, it is called as option B, inbreed. Question number 133. The progeny of the single plant obtained by the asexual reproduction is, yes, we all know it's clone. Yes. The progeny of a single homozygous self-pollinated plant is known as, it is known as the pure line. Yes. Question number 135. The pure line theory was given by Johnson. Question 136. The term genetics is coined by, it is coined by Batson. Question number 137. The phenomenon of linkage was first observed by, it was absolutely observed by Batson and Punnett. Question number 138. One gene, one enzyme hypothesis was given by, Yes, it was given by Beadle and then Tatum. Question 139. The current concept of the gene regulation was proposed by Jacob and Monod. Question number 140. Dr. Hargobind Khurana was awarded the Nobel Prize, yes, in 1968 for his work on, yes, that is option C, genetic code and in vitro synthesis of the DNA. Question number 141. Which of the following sets is the correct sequence of the events in the cell? Yes, first it is transcription, then it is translation, then it is protein synthesis. What's this transcription? It is from the DNA to RNA. Translation is from RNA to protein, and then it is a protein synthesis. Now, question number 142. The performance of the double cross hybrid, yes, A into B, then into B into D, can be predicted from the average performance of the combination of, that is option B, AB, AD, BC, and CD. Question number 143. The number of the single crosses will be equals to, it will be equals to, that is option A, n bracket n minus 1 divided by 2. Question number 144. The number of the double crosses will be, yes, it is will be option B, n bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 bracket n minus 3 divided by 8. Question number 145. The number of three-way crosses are, yes, it's option A, n bracket n minus 1 bracket close, then again bracket n minus 2 divided by this 2. Yes. Now question number 143. The variety of the wheat developed from the spring into wheat winter wheat crosses is termed as an, it is termed as an option D, that is, no, it's like VEEBY. Question number 147. The intermediate effect of the pollen on the character of the endosperm is called as an, it is called as an option B, that is genia. Yes. Question number 148. The individual with the gametic chromosome number is, yes, it is all, yeah, we all know it is haploid. Question number 149. The individuals with the second chromosome are commonly known as, it is known as, that is option B, aneuploidy. Question number 150. Pollination and the fertilization is an unopened flower bud. Is the situation called as an, yes, we all know it is called as in the cleistogamy. Question number 151. The situation in which the one gene, yes, what is this? Hide the effect of the second gene when both are present on the chromosome. It is called as an epistasis. Question number 152. And a widow individual with the yes 2 and minus 1 chromosome constitutes, it is an, yes, I know, it is an option B, double monosomic. Question 153. Which of the following statement regarding selfing is correct? It is, that is option C, reduces the heterozygosity. Question number 154. Triticale is an, it is an intergeneric cross. Question number 155. The cabbage is a cross pollinated owing to, because it is self incompatibility. Yeah, 156. In maize, the cross pollination occurs due to, it occurs due to the potandry. Yes. Now question number 157.